and this is Nisha's The Weekend Show. This is our first show, and I am really a bit nervous, but I'm sure I will be doing good. Uh, Mr. Jude is our first guest. Welcome, sir. And he's a musician come therapist. That is, like an blossom for us, like ek pe ek free kind of thing for us. This is Rahil, the Path Guider podcast, and parents are welcome anytime for any sort of queries. We are open 24/7. Starting with the show, sir. Welcome to Rahil, the Path Guider. It's an immense pleasure to have you, sir. And I will not waste further more time because parents will be having a lot of questions that, okay, what is it like? Because we have our own way of podcasting the things. We will be adding up some music definitely given by you and suggested by you. Uh,
Yeah.
you have a vast experience in music, sir. So,
Yes.
by music as an, like therapy counseling, what exactly it means, sir?
Music, as in everyone understands music, it's almost very free on the internet. You can download as much as you want. You can make 1 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, whatever GBs you want. You can make your whole choice. There's a beautiful app that is Spotify. That's a beautiful channel which I recently discovered it, but it gives you a very good identification of what music you would like. If you want to sleep, you can use bed music, to sleep, to have a good so you can awaken fresh in the morning. If you like different genres of music like R&B, there is jazz, it's beautiful. I like this app a lot, and I'm using it actually. And the good thing about it, the sound quality is much good. Yeah, now that's about music. But music and therapy in counseling is a long experience that I've had. And I'll speak as you keep asking me. But just for an understanding, since it's the start of the interview, it's basically you need a counseling degree for that. And you need to handle a lot of mental health issues, which is at the moment it's the most crucial period that we're going through. The kind of cases that come in, it's really crazy. And definitely you need to have your psychology in place, otherwise you will not be able to handle these kind of people. And in today's realm, it's gaining more importance in abroad. If I would like to share, Poland is a country, before they admit you in the hospital, they first start your therapy. It's a music therapy in the morning, early in the morning, especially for cardiac patients. So that is the epitome, and that is the kind of relevant importance they give to music. And of course there is a lot of interaction. Right now I'm dealing with a whole lot of, and I need a lot of help from you and your students, who will be joining me soon in this career of music therapy, I'm sure. It's like dealing with psychiatrist, you're dealing with psychologists, speech therapists, the visual impaired teachers, trainers. So basically parents need to the interest level is a little later, because it's very new. So maybe there will be a lot of counseling sessions which we'll have to, there's a lot of testing that we'll have to do.
Right,
But yes, this is a fantastic profession to get into clinics, hospitals, schools, and there's a huge need. It's like we are not even 1% of it, like, but as you will develop the passion, you will get to know. So it's a huge, yes, yes.
correct. It was really good to know that the countries like Poland is giving such a big platform to music to, basically make an human being uh, at a comfort zone. Music definitely heals a lot of wounds, I guess.
Correct, correct.
Been therapeutic counseling and all. Does it has an like by age group, or is it's just a common for everybody?
See, it depends on the culture. I'll just come back on the Indian culture. We have I was just making some notes, for this interview, and it just uh, helped me to get my memory back. About maybe 20 years back, playing with playing instruments with the teachers who are from Kolkata, Bangladesh, Kerala. So you have South Indians, you have North Indians. We have a very versatile culture. I am basically a Christian, but my roots are also into Portuguese. The
Right.
Mexican kind of way. So to blend all these kind of music together, it's wonderful because we have something called as tradition. There's an integration, a national integration day every year, because I have worked for 15 years in mainstream school, and the best friends I think in the music part is you have listening to Kishore and Mohammed Rafi, and there's a lot of exposure when I've been able to program with the state of Assam, and I still remember that Bihu dance. So that's about it, about the Indian culture. Hello,
Sir, whatever you have told, now it's been not
hello,
like hello, hello.
are we in?
Yes, sir. Sir, the whatever you told now, right now, it's been not recorded because it was cutting down. Like there is some connection issue from your side, I guess, network issue from your side, sir. Your screen has stopped. Yes, now you are visible and audible.
We didn't get the second question, the
Yes,
Indian
sir.
culture one.
Yeah,
Can you
Indian
repeat that?
culture one you have to repeat,
I'll
sir.
repeat.
Yes, sir.
I'll
Yes,
repeat.
sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so the Indian culture, as in the instrument and the singing, is versatile. In fact, the language is very classy. Our languages are fantastic, right from Sanskrit to Bengali to we speak Malayalam and Odissi. So while I was making my notes, I went flashback memory into the days when I used to work with teachers of different culture, and basically we have this national integration day for every school, and just to be with them, and obviously we would play guitar, we would play piano, and enjoy and sing in the staff room. That was our way of doing things, not YouTube and all. We never had all these gadgets and internet so much frequently, but they would come up with songs like Kishore Radha and Mohammed Rafi, and the old time classics, and so that is the kind of culture that we were I was growing up with, I would say.
Right.
And back home, I come from a Christian background, so there is a lot of church based hymns. If you have seen choir, it's beautiful to just see 10, 20, 30, maybe hundreds of people singing together with different voices, where again we have to, the awareness is not there on the voices part. What's a tenor, what's an alto, what's a bass, what's a soprano. So these are the different voices that we have, especially for singers who are listening to this. And the whole idea behind this is the exposure. I remember doing a whole play of Assam. We had the state Assam and doing the Bihu dance. So that was a real good memory. Thank you, Nisha, for taking me back to memory. Yeah, yeah.
Anytime, sir. Rahil the Path Guider normally gets into nostalgic things for people more. So, because that's the real thing, actually. Your answer to your strength or weakness lies in the past, sir.
True, true,
And
true.
right, coming to the next one, sir. Why music? Like, what made you to be in music, and what is the creative process of it like?
Yeah, actually, thank you for that question. It's a question for most of us. As creative as
Thank you.
in the profession. It's a very important question which you brought. Why music? And I to be honest with you, I'm a very open-minded person, very broad-minded, and in my house, as I was growing up, there was not much communication in our house. You know, there was my dad, mom were in a different genre sort of thing. I was the only son, but there was not too much of communication. I didn't express much of love, much of affection, and everyone, all three of us would do our own things and things. So it was that time. Maybe if the internet and counseling were much better, I would be a better person, a different person today. But when I got my guitar in ninth standard, I remembered I felt some therapy. I felt some calmness. I felt that I have a friend, a friend who's with me whenever I am down and out, highs and lows. I can just play some few. I was not a good player like I am, but today, but I would just play some few songs, whatever. Those times there was no internet as I come back. So we would just learn from friends. Our best study was books. We used to do a lot of reading on music, and I still have those books with me. In fact, Joseph Correa, the stalwart who played Dos Naraha, I had an opportunity to learn with him. The first Shankar Jaikish, I think the first tune that he plays is played by one of my teachers. Yeah, and I had many teachers in jazz, and I think that whom I learned. So on the creative way, I had actually, frankly speaking, I had no idea about creativity. Really speaking. I'll be very honest with you. Until the age of 30, 35 years. Now I'm 45. I'm still young.
Sir, age
I
is
had
just
no.
a number, sir. Don't worry. Age is just a number.
Yes, absolutely. But I didn't have the what is creative. I never knew, though I would work with school and all, see creative things, but I never understood the word creativity. When I was fortunate to do a kind of a systematic program course, in personality, and I secured 85% in the creative work that I did. Because there were a lot of banners, there were a lot of social work, there were a lot of creativity. Also, where I did my counseling from SIS, I thank them, for being patient with me, and they're one of the only affiliate, colleges to affiliate with the University of Mumbai. So I was fortunate to do a lot of. I won, I think, around 9 certificates in the
Oh,
creativity.
that's
Yes. So
really good, sir.
it came late, but I understood then. At least I'm living with that line of creativity. Thank you.
Sir, listening to all these things, a person like me who is just a bathroom singer will definitely not sing now in bathroom also. Uh, Definitely, sir. Now I'll come to the question where where the Rahil, the path guider, works more. We are the people who are in a process of breaking the stereotype mindset.
Correct. Correct.
Uh,
Absolutely.
we People in our society, basically in our time it was like arts, commerce and science. If you are having
Thanks.
percentage above 80, you are a science student. There is no
Correct.
looking back for it. Like, you can't
True.
even
True.
think of
True.
taking
Absolutely.
commerce. But there are many people who are not taking music as a career, but wished to take it as
Absolutely.
like they wanted to, but they can't. Society pressure, parents pressure, peer pressure,
Correct.
all that. The pressure worked it out. But today, in today's scenario, things are a bit different. But it took a very long time to bring this different. So if I ask you the question like music as a career now, what would be your opinion on